No gold is not in her. She's a diamond.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to BubblyTech. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing one of the most widely used microphones on YouTube, the Blue Yeti USB microphone. Let's get straight into the video. So the Blue Yeti has been referred to as one of the best microphones by many different experts, YouTubers, podcasters, bloggers, etc. And with it costing anywhere from $100 to $130, it is one of the best, if not the best, USB microphones you can buy. When opening the box, you will notice that the Blue Yeti is not a small microphone, with it standing almost a feet tall and weighing almost 3.5 pounds. You can find it in many different colors. I personally have gone ahead and purchased the blacked out version. Now the actual microphone can be folded up for easier storage, but its main purpose is to sit on a desk and not be carried around. In the box, you also get an extremely long USB cable and a manual. The Blue Yeti is made out of solid metal, and the mic itself can be detached from the stand and placed on a boom arm. On the bottom, you will find the USB mini jack, threaded mic stand mount, and headphone output with an amplifier and volume control for monitoring audio. Then in the front, you have your master volume knob and the mute button. Then in the back, you have your gain knob and the pattern selector. The pattern selector and the mute button feel solid, whilst the gain knob and the volume button feel cheap. As you can see from this clip, the gain knob on my Blue Yeti actually comes off. I don't know why this is and why Blue just didn't make these two buttons more solid, but it is a minor thing nonetheless. The recording resolution is 16-bit at 48 kHz. The frequency response is anywhere from 20 Hz to 20 kHz. It is compatible with Mac and PC and no software required. The pickup patterns are cardioid, which is used for podcasts, voiceovers, vocals, instruments. Then it's bidirectional, which is used for interviews, instruments, vocal duos. Then omnidirectional is used for conference calls, field recordings, events, orchestras. Then the last one is stereo, which is used for vocals and instruments. It is very well built, it is very versatile and well featured, it's also well priced and very easy to use. Moving on to the cons, it is quite large and heavy, good for home studios, less good as a portable microphone. This, in my opinion, is still one of the best USB microphones for beginners and people that just want something that's plug and play. Now, for the people that don't have that high of a budget, a cheaper alternative to the Blue Yeti is the Audio-Technica AT2020, which for half the price is great for people on a lower budget. The link and a review video for the AT2020s will be down in the description if you want to check it out. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe, like and comment. Follow me on Instagram, the link will be down in the description. And yeah, this was Bubbly, signing out.